Vellalar College of Engineering and Technology, located in Erode, Tamil Nadu, has received an overall rating of 4.2 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the MBA course offered here? Let's find out, starting with the placements rated 4.6 stars. In 2023-24, a total of 61 students graduated from the MBA program, out of which 44 were placed and 2 went for higher studies, giving us a placement rate of 72%. The median package was 3 lakh per annum, which was a slight improvement over the past 2 years. Top recruiters included companies such as Wipro, TCS, Amazon, Cognizant, Deloitte, HDFC Bank, Infosys, and KPMG. And the top roles offered were that of SEO analyst, research analyst, business analyst, financial analyst, marketing manager, HR manager, and assistant manager. The median salary at VCET in comparison with Great Lakes Institute of Management, Tamil Nadu, is significantly lower, showing significant scope for improvement. Additionally, according to student reviews, most found internship opportunities in companies such as Aditya Birla, Sunstone, Lenskart, Hindustan Unilever, and McKinsey. Let's now take a look at the MBA course rated 4.8 stars. In the 2-year MBA program, students specialize in 2 major functional areas of management, choosing for marketing, finance, human resources, systems, shipping and logistics, hotel and tourism, healthcare, and operations management. Students can also opt for value-added courses such as SPSS, MS Excel, personality development, e-marketing, and NSE certification in financial markets. Applicants must pass a bachelor's degree with at least 50% marks. The TA and CET scores are considered for final selection. The total tuition fee for the 2-year program ranges from 70,000 rupees to 82,000 rupees, and students are given a rating of 4.8 star for value for money. Scholarships are available based on cut-off marks, including an all-fee waiver and tuition fee waiver. Next, let's take a look at the infrastructure rated 4.6 stars. The 25.6-acre Wi-Fi-enabled campus features well-equipped classrooms, a computer center with business and simulation software, 5 conference halls, a spacious canteen, and buses for commute available. The college offers separate hostels for boys and girls that feature study rooms, hot water, indoor games, 24/7 medical care, CCTV surveillance, round-the-clock security, and uninterrupted power supply. The 2-floor hostel mess offers vegetarian food, and there are monthly open-air diners and night tea available during exams. The 3.75-acre sports ground, facilities for basketball, cricket, football, volleyball, badminton, kabaddi, and kho-kho is available along with indoor games. Emergency medical care is available 24/7 through Vellalar Trust Hospital with an on-campus ambulance. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4.9 stars. According to student reviews, the faculty is friendly, supportive, and highly qualified with PhDs and extensive experience. The curriculum is updated annually to align with industry innovations, ensuring students are industry ready. The department has collaborations with 9 institutions including Cosi Casual Comforts, Vedagiri High Tech, KTM Universal Export, the Confederation of Indian Industry, and the Madras Management Association. These partnerships enhance industry exposure and provide students with opportunities for hands-on learning. Shifting our focus to campus life, which is rated 4.9 stars. Students can join various clubs including Rotaract, Women Empowerment, Fine Arts, English Literary, Standards, and Green Club. Cultural events like Women's Day, Engineers Day, Teachers Day, Annual Day, and Pongal provide students with opportunities to showcase their talent and celebrate. Finally, VCET is currently unranked in the NIRF 2024. For more details on Vellalar College of Engineering and Technology and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.